Good morning, good morning, good morning. So today sums up the arrival of the YT. Yeah, so that's the full aluminum version. This is the one which is limited edition. Limited edition. So just a quick review, quick talk about the bike itself. So the YT, fully aluminum, no carbon about it, 29er has landed. So when we look at all the parts, they're all aluminum. Nothing is actually carbon. We talk about the Kashima coating dropper, 11 by E13 cassette, SRAM brakes, E13 LGs, DMR. This is self-bought DHX2, rental cockpit, again bar stoppers, self-bought stem cap, self-bought. Everything else is all stock. Sensors is also self-bought if I'm not wrong, and then full E13 wheel set. Syncross mud cover, custom painted to match. Saddle naturally comes with. So that is the YT 29er limited edition, numbered 123 out of 400.